Possible finance charges fees that can feel confusing at first, because the cost is built into how the loan is repaid, instead of showing up as a traditional interest rate. By the end, you'll understand what fees Possible Finance actually charges, how repayment costs are structured, and when the loan becomes expensive compared to other options. Possible Finance is a short-term loan app. Instead of traditional bank interest, it uses a fee-based structure tied to your loan amount and repayment schedule. That means the cost isn't always shown as a simple interest percentage, but it still increases what you repay over time. Now focus on the most important idea. The main cost comes from the repayment amount being higher than what you borrowed. That difference is the fee you're paying for access to fast cash and easier approval compared to a bank loan. If you don't pay attention to the total repayment number, it can feel like the fees appear out of nowhere. Next, look at how repayment structure affects cost. Possible Finance typically splits repayment into installments instead of a single due date. Each installment includes part of the borrowed amount plus added fees. That structure makes payments feel smaller, but the total cost is what matters when comparing it to other loans. Now talk about timing. Short-term repayment means the fee impact shows up quickly. If you borrow repeatedly or roll into new loans, the total cost can stack up over time. That's where users often underestimate what they're actually paying. Now compare usage behavior. If you only use Possible Finance once for an emergency, the fee is the trade-off for fast approval and no traditional credit requirements. But if you rely on it regularly, the repeated repayment cost can become more expensive than expected. Now look at approval trade-off. Possible Finance is designed for users with limited credit history, so the approval process is easier than traditional lenders. That convenience is part of what you're paying for through the loan fees. Here's the simple breakdown. Possible Finance fees are built into repayment amounts instead of being shown as separate interest charges. The cost depends on how often you borrow and how quickly you repay, not just the loan amount itself. Do this next. Before taking another loan, open your last Possible Finance repayment and compare the total amount paid back to what you originally borrowed. That difference shows your real cost in a clear way. If you're using it often, it's worth rethinking whether the convenience is worth the repeated repayment cost. Possible Finance works best as a one-time emergency tool, not a regular borrowing option.